The Grand Princess just completed a major renovation, and I've got to tell you, this ship is absolutely stunning now. After spending 7 nights aboard this floating city, I can confidently say Princess Cruises knocked it out of the park with this makeover. This isn't just another cruise ship review, this is about a vessel that's redefining what mid-sized luxury cruising should look like. Let me be completely honest with you, I've sailed on over 40 different ships in the past decade, and the Grand Princess surprised me in ways I wasn't expecting. The moment you step aboard, you realize this isn't the same ship that launched back in 1998. Princess invested serious money into transforming this vessel into something truly special. The Grand Princess accommodates roughly 2,600 guests, making it the perfect size where you never feel crowded, but there's always something happening. It's part of Princess Cruises' Grand Class fleet, and after this renovation, it's easily one of the most impressive ships in their lineup. Now let's talk about where you'll be sleeping, because honestly, this is where the Grand Princess really shines. The interior staterooms are surprisingly spacious for this class of ship, measuring about 160 square feet. These rooms might not have windows, but they're designed so cleverly that you hardly notice. The beds are incredibly comfortable, and the storage space is actually generous compared to what you'll find on newer ships. The oceanview staterooms are where things get interesting. These rooms feature large portholes that actually open, which is becoming rare on modern ships. There's something magical about falling asleep to the sound of ocean waves through an actual open window. The rooms are about the same size as interior cabins, but that natural light makes all the difference in the world. But here's where the Grand Princess really impressed me, the balcony staterooms. Most of these are around 200 square feet with balconies that are actually usable, not those tiny ledges you sometimes get on other ships. The furniture is comfortable enough to spend hours out there, and the views are absolutely spectacular. I spent every morning on my balcony with coffee, watching the world wake up. The suites on the ship are in a completely different league. The Princess Suites are massive, with separate living areas and balconies that are bigger than some hotel rooms I've stayed in. The mini suites are probably the sweet spot for most people. You get the suite perks without the suite price tag. These rooms have separate seating areas and much larger balconies than standard staterooms. What really impressed me about all the accommodations is the attention to detail after the renovation. The bathrooms are modern and functional, with excellent water pressure in the showers. The beds have premium linens that actually feel luxurious, not just cruise ship standard. Every room has plenty of outlets and USB ports, which might seem basic, but you'd be surprised how many ships get this wrong. When it comes to dining, the Grand Princess offers something for everyone, and I mean everyone. The main dining rooms serve traditional cruise fare that's actually quite good. The menu changes nightly, and the service is consistently excellent. What sets this ship apart is the variety of specialty dining options that don't break the bank. Sabatini's Italian restaurant is hands down one of the best specialty restaurants I've experienced at sea. The pasta is made fresh daily, and the portions are generous without being overwhelming. The service here feels like you're dining at a high-end restaurant in Rome, not on a cruise ship in the middle of the ocean. The Crown Grill Steakhouse serves some of the finest beef you'll find anywhere, let alone on a ship. The dry-aged steaks are cooked to perfection, and the sides are restaurant quality. Yes, there's an additional charge, but it's completely worth it for a special night out. For casual dining, the International Cafe serves excellent coffee and light meals throughout the day. The Horizon Court Buffet is clean, well-organized, and offers fresh options at every meal. Unlike some ships where the buffet feels like an afterthought, this one is clearly designed to be a primary dining venue. The bars throughout the ship serve quality cocktails with premium spirits. The Crooner's Bar has live piano music most evenings, creating the perfect atmosphere for a nightcap. The poolside bars keep things flowing during sea days, and the bartenders actually know how to make a proper drink. Speaking of pools, let's talk about the outdoor spaces, because this is where the Grand Princess renovation really shows. The main pool area was completely redesigned, and it's absolutely beautiful now. The pool itself is a good size for swimming, not just wading, and there are plenty of comfortable loungers surrounding it. The adults-only sanctuary area is pure genius. For a small daily fee, you get access to this peaceful retreat with premium loungers, dedicated service, and a much more relaxed atmosphere. It's like having a private resort area on the ship, and honestly, it's worth every penny for the peace and quiet alone. The hot tubs are strategically placed around the pool deck, and they're actually hot, which sounds obvious but isn't always the case on cruise ships. The water temperature is perfect for relaxing after a long day of exploring ports or activities. The sun decks offer plenty of space to spread out, even on sea days when everyone's outside. There are shaded areas for those who want to enjoy the fresh air without the direct sun. The deck furniture is comfortable and well maintained, not the cheap plastic stuff you sometimes find on older ships. Now let's dive into activities, because the Grand Princess keeps you busy if you want to be busy. The fitness center was completely updated during the renovation and now rivals what you'd find at a premium land-based gym. The equipment is modern, well-maintained, and there's plenty of space to work out without feeling cramped. The sports deck includes a basketball court that doubles as a volleyball court, and it's actually regulation size. There's also a jogging track that circles the ship, giving you fantastic views while you exercise. The track is well marked with distance markers, so you can actually track your workouts properly. The evening entertainment is where this ship really shines. The Princess Theater hosts full-scale production shows that rival what you'd see in Las Vegas. The sound system and lighting are top-notch, and the performers are genuinely talented. These aren't cheesy cruise ship shows, they're legitimate theatrical productions. The casino is spacious and well-designed, with all the games you'd expect plus some unique options. The dealers are professional and friendly, and the atmosphere is lively without being overwhelming. Even if you're not a gambler, it's fun to walk through and people watch. For those who want to learn something new, the enrichment programs are excellent. Guest lecturers cover topics from history to science, and they're actually engaging speakers, not just retired professors reading from notes. The computer classes help older passengers stay connected with family back home. The spa and wellness facilities on the Grand Princess are absolutely world-class after the renovation. The Lotus Spa is a serene retreat that feels completely separate from the rest of the ship. The moment you walk in, you're transported to a peaceful oasis with soft lighting and calming music. The treatment rooms are spacious and well-appointed, with comfortable beds and premium products. The massages are performed by licensed therapists who actually know what they're doing. I had a hot stone massage that was every bit as good as what I've experienced at luxury resorts on land. The thermal suite includes a steam room, sauna, and relaxation area with heated loungers. Access requires an additional fee, but it's incredibly reasonable for what you get. The facilities are kept meticulously clean, and there's rarely a crowd, so you can truly relax and unwind. Fitness classes range from basic yoga to high-intensity interval training. The instructors are certified professionals who provide modifications for different fitness levels. The yoga classes on the top deck at sunrise are absolutely magical. There's something special about doing sun salutations while watching the ocean wake up. The beauty salon offers full-service hair and nail care with skilled professionals. The prices are reasonable for ship standards, and the quality is excellent. They use premium products, and the staff is trained to work with all hair types and styles. For families traveling with children, the Grand Princess offers some of the best kids facilities I've seen on any ship. The kids' club areas were completely redesigned during the renovation and now feature age-appropriate spaces that actually engage children rather than just containing them. The youth center for younger kids is bright, colorful, and filled with activities that keep children entertained for hours. The supervised programs are well organized and led by trained youth counselors who clearly enjoy working with kids. Parents can drop off their children with confidence knowing they are in good hands. The teen center is designed to appeal to older kids without being childish. It includes gaming areas, a dance floor, and comfortable seating for socializing. The teen programs include activities like scavenger hunts and dance parties that actually get teenagers excited about participating. Family-friendly amenities throughout the ship include connecting staterooms for larger families and dedicated family dining times in the main restaurant. The pool areas include shallow sections perfect for younger children, and there are family-friendly entertainment options every evening. The childcare services are professional and reliable, allowing parents to enjoy adult-only dining or entertainment. The staff is background checked and trained in child safety, giving parents peace of mind when they want some grown-up time. The ports of call and shore excursions offered through the Grand Princess are absolutely incredible. The ship typically sails to destinations in the Caribbean, Mediterranean, and Alaska, depending on the season. Each itinerary is carefully planned to maximize your time in port while ensuring you see the best each destination has to offer. The shore excursion desk is staffed by knowledgeable professionals who can help you choose activities based on your interests and physical abilities. They offer everything from gentle sightseeing tours to adventurous activities like zip lining and snorkeling. The excursions are well organized and typically return to the ship with time to spare. What I particularly appreciate about Princess Shore excursions is their focus on cultural experiences rather than just tourist traps. You'll visit local markets, meet artisans, and learn about the history and culture of each destination. These experiences create lasting memories that go far beyond typical cruise port shopping. The ship's location services help you navigate each port independently if you prefer to explore on your own. They provide maps, recommendations, and transportation information so you can create your own adventures. The staff is always available to answer questions about local customs and must-see attractions. Private excursion options are available for those who want a more personalized experience. These smaller group tours often provide access to locations and experiences that aren't available on larger group excursions. While more expensive, they offer incredible value for special occasions or once-in-a-lifetime destinations. Now for my overall review of the Grand Princess, and I'm going to be completely honest about both the positives and areas where there's room for improvement. This ship excels in creating a sophisticated cruise experience that appeals to a wide range of passengers without trying to be everything to everyone. The service throughout the ship is consistently excellent. From housekeeping to dining room staff to guest services, everyone seems genuinely committed to ensuring passengers have a great experience. The staff remembers your preferences and goes out of their way to make your cruise special. The ship size is perfect for those who want variety without feeling lost in a massive floating city. You can easily navigate from one end to the other, but there are enough venues and activities that you never feel bored or crowded. It strikes the perfect balance between intimate and exciting. The food quality across all venues is above average for cruise standards. While it may not rival the best land-based restaurants, it's consistently good and offers enough variety to satisfy different tastes and dietary requirements. The specialty restaurants are genuinely excellent and worth the additional cost. However, there are a few areas where the Grand Princess could improve. The Wi-Fi, while functional, can be slow and expensive compared to land-based internet. The shopping areas, while adequate, aren't as extensive as what you'll find on newer ships. Some of the public areas can get crowded during peak times, particularly around the main pool and popular bars. The elevator wait times can be frustrating during busy periods like dinner time or when returning from port. What truly makes the Grand Princess stand out from its competitors is its commitment to refined cruising without pretension. This isn't a ship trying to wow you with gimmicks or over-the-top attractions. Instead, it focuses on doing the fundamentals exceptionally well while providing elegant touches that enhance the entire experience. The ship's design creates intimate spaces within a larger vessel. You'll find quiet corners for reading, cozy bars for conversation, and peaceful deck areas for relaxation. It feels more like a boutique hotel than a massive cruise ship, which appeals to passengers who want sophistication without stuffiness. The Princess Cruises' signature experiences, like the Move Is Under the Stars program, create magical moments that you simply can't get on land. Watching a classic film while lying on a comfortable lounger under the stars with the ocean breeze is absolutely unforgettable. The ship's art collection and decor reflect a level of taste and sophistication that's often missing on more flashy vessels. The public spaces feel elegant and timeless rather than trendy or themed. This creates an atmosphere that's comfortable for passengers of all ages and backgrounds. For business travelers and those planning special events, the Grand Princess offers excellent meeting and conference facilities. The business center provides computers, printing services, and private workspaces for those who need to stay connected during their cruise. The meeting rooms are equipped with modern audiovisual equipment and can accommodate groups ranging from small business meetings to large conferences. The staff is experienced in coordinating corporate events and can provide catering and technical support as needed. Wedding and vow renewal services are available with dedicated coordinators who handle all the details. The ship offers several beautiful locations for ceremonies, from intimate chapel settings to spectacular deck locations with ocean views. Private party spaces can be reserved for special celebrations like anniversaries or family reunions. The event planning staff works with you to create customized experiences that make your special occasion truly memorable. Guest experience highlights from the Grand Princess consistently focus on the exceptional service and attention to detail. Passengers regularly share stories about staff members who went above and beyond to make their cruise special. From surprising honeymooners with champagne and strawberries to helping elderly passengers navigate the ship, the crew consistently demonstrates genuine care for guest satisfaction. One particularly memorable story involves a passenger who mentioned missing their grandmother's Italian cooking. The chef at Sabatini's worked with them to recreate a family recipe, turning a casual comment into an emotional and meaningful dining experience. The ship's photographers capture professional quality images throughout your cruise, but what sets them apart is their ability to make photo sessions fun rather than awkward. Many passengers end up with beautiful family portraits that become treasured keepsakes. The Grand Princess represents the best of traditional cruising, updated for modern travelers. It proves that you don't need rock climbing walls or surf simulators to create an incredible vacation experience. Sometimes the best cruise is simply one that does everything well, treats you with respect, and creates an environment where you can truly relax and enjoy yourself. After sailing on this ship, I can confidently recommend the Grand Princess to anyone looking for a sophisticated cruise experience that delivers excellent value. Whether you're a first-time cruiser or a seasoned sailor, this ship offers something special that will leave you planning your next princess cruise before you even get home.